Hi, this is Maria. I'm going to show you how to download the horizontal practical planner by Jenny Gollan Designs. If you have purchased it using the Etsy app, that's great, but you cannot download from here. You need to go into your website, type in etsy.com at the top, okay, www.etsy.com, and then you will log in at the top here. Once you're logged in, go to Purchases and Reviews. That takes you here. You will find your purchase and download files. Find the item you want. I'm going to download. Okay, and there it is. I'm going to make sure it's all downloaded. It's saying page 1 of 105 downloaded. Once I have it, I'm going to click the square with the up arrow, and I'm going to save my journal so that I have a permanent clean copy. I'm going to save it. Now I happen to have a folder in my cloud called Journal Originals, and when I click add, it saves it in there. Then you will go into Goodnotes, click your plus sign, import. iCloud Drive is where I saved it. I'm going to find my journal, practical planner, and it downloads a nice, clean, brand new journal, and there is your new journal. Thanks for watching.